Are you ready to revolutionize your problem-solving processes? Discover how eAuditor transforms the traditional 8D analysis into a digital powerhouse. This video explores a comprehensive approach to structured problem-solving in various industries. Performing 8D analysis with eAuditor ensures a structured and evidence-driven approach. Every discipline of the 8D methodology is digitized for efficiency and accountability. Forget manual reports. eAuditor provides a single platform for data capture and action tracking. It embeds preventive measures into processes seamlessly. Experience a fully digital, paperless workflow. Setting up a digital 8D framework in eAuditor is essential. This template ensures consistency and completeness in problem solving. Create custom forms for each discipline with predefined fields and logic. Assign roles to team members for specific actions. Capture smart data inputs to guarantee accuracy and completeness. Start by establishing a team within the eAuditor template. Record team leader details and roles for transparency. Define the problem using structured fields like what, who, when, and how often. Upload photos or videos for complete evidence capture. This ensures a clear understanding of the issue at hand. Implement containment actions to protect customers and stop defect flow. Link actions with timelines and attach evidence of segregated stock. Use root cause tools like the 5 Whys and fishbone diagram. Store all analysis data in one place, eliminating external document reliance. This streamlines the root cause identification process. Develop corrective actions linked to identified root causes. Log actions with descriptions, responsible persons, and due dates. Upload real-time evidence during implementation for transparency. Supervisors can digitally sign off on completed tasks. This ensures accountability and a clear evidence chain. Conclusion of the video. Through digital excellence, eAuditor facilitates continuous improvement. Automated reporting and analytics enhance problem-solving efficiency. A digital archive supports compliance and future planning. The result is a cycle of learning and improvement. Embrace this digital transformation for superior problem resolution.